what we're doing today is a oil change on my 1998 Toyota Sienna. So first thing I did was, of course, pop the hood, locate the filter, and locate the plug. I'm not racing the car up today. And what am I gonna need? What kind of socket? I'm gonna need a Corona also. But this is the plug I gotta switch out. No, that's the plug. We got a plug right here. And gasket. And I need a 14 millimeter socket to remove it. And of course you use 530 weight. Oil 530. All right. So let's do this. Hot. It's a little bit hot. Damn. It's warm. Oh wow. Okay. Clean this baby. Put the new plug. Now remove the filter. So 5 weight 30 and filter for a 1998 Toyota Sienna. And of course, gotta put the new filter in. And tight, of course. And then the last step is fill that up. And this takes almost the 5 quarts. So when you fill it up, and check also your manual. Oops. Somebody's watching T.A. Hunt in the background, and he got pranked with the gun. Chill, bro. So now, do the honors, Eric. Check my oil. Measure my dipstick.
Put a little more.
Put a little more. Okay, cool. Damn.
Cool. Oh, you're in the middle.
Cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright. And that wraps it up. Subscribe. Hit that like button. And we'll see you on the next video.